Yes, it's blinking. Okay, you got to start it with the choke all the way in that position. When I do get it running, I only move it like that far. You know, I'm expecting, you see the choke down here, throttle opening. It only needs a little air. I'm expecting to go way out open. So what I'm thinking is that the carburetor fuel air mixture needle needs to be adjusted. Maybe that'll help make it start easier in the future. So that is it for now. And I had more wood over here I was going to burn, but now everything's wet. And with my, here's my other dilemma. I've got food to cook. I was going to burn wood, and now I can't because it's all wet. I have 2 bottles of propane, but the 2-burner stove I have won't work. So I've got a little project to do later today. So right now I'm just eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, tuna sandwiches, cold beans. You know, I'm surviving, but it's just not quite what I had in mind. Alright, that's it for now. Just I made 2 videos because I shut the first one off there. And so that's my report from Wickenburg, Arizona at the end of November.